All right, let's install Flatpak and Flathub on NixOS. So we're going to start out here on our terminal, and we're going to first just edit our configuration. So I know I have that here. Here we go. Our etc NixOS configuration.nix. So we're going to edit that. We're going to start off by enabling. So we're just going to add a new line here and say services.flatpak.enable equals true, semicolon. So that's going to enable the module for Flatpak, and once we apply this config, it will be enabled. So let's do that real quick. So we're going to have to say sudo NixOS rebuild, if I could type correctly today, and switch. So we're going to apply that configuration. And we've completed successfully. So we've got Flatpak enabled, the service anyways. So we can't do a whole lot with it unless we add a remote. First, let's just verify that it's here. So Flatpak version and Flatpak 1.16.1 is installed. So let's go ahead and add a remote. So Flatpak remote -add, and I'm going to just type this out manually instead of copy pasting it. -- if not exists, Flathub https://flathub.org repo flathub.flatpak repo. Hopefully I didn't typo that. And there we go. So note that these directories are not in the search path. So applications install may not appear on your desktop until the session's restarted. So if we did put these on the search path, they might appear on the desktop before the session's restarted. I'm not going to do that right now. So next thing we're going to do is Flatpak remotes, just to view our remotes, and we see we have Flatpak there for the system. So let's try installing something. Flatpak install GIMP. So I already know I have GIMP on the system. All right, we are going to install GIMP stable. So 16. And I could have just specified org gimp.gimp. But anyways, let's go ahead with this. All right, so there we go, successfully installed. Let's take a look here. So I know we already have GIMP installed through the Nix package manager. So we should have it installed anyways. So there should be two versions. So, all right, we have GIMP right here. I don't think this is the one I installed. All right, this is GIMP 2. The Flatpak version is going to be GIMP 3. So this is not it. Let's go ahead and log out and log back in. We could have set those environment variables, but yeah, let's give this a shot. All right, now you see we have two versions of the GIMP. We have the old version installed with the Nix package. So we're going to launch that, and right alongside it, we're going to go ahead and launch the new one. You can tell the new one apart because it has this newer icon right here. Let's launch this one too. Should be launching, maybe it's just slow. Okay, so it looks like it doesn't want me to launch both of these at the same time. If I'm only allowed to launch one. If it's already running, it won't let me launch the other one. And I didn't run into this issue before. I was able to do this, I think, on Fedora and some other OSs that I was able to install two versions and run them at the same time. Anyways, I think this one's actually the older one. So this is GIMP 2. So all right, GIMP 2. Or 2.10. So we can also launch GIMP 3. So here we go. This is the new GIMP that, right here, GIMP 3.0.8. So that is the Flatpak version of GIMP, as opposed to the, as opposed to the NixOS Nix package version of GIMP. So that's how you can install Flatpak, enable Flathub, and install Flatpak packages on NixOS. So that's about it for today. So, might want to give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful or interesting. Definitely leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, or any comments, questions, anything you want to say. But also make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our other great tech content. Also hit the bell icon so you actually get a notification if we do come out with new content. We're going to be doing a ton of other great content, lots of Linux stuff, still doing Windows and Mac OS. We're also doing like hardware, software, electronics, servers, desktops, 3D printing, Raspberry Pis, robots, networking, and all that great stuff. So you don't want to miss out. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon. But that's about it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.